You know what else is luxurious to me? Spending my husband's money, not mine. Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all, your girl is feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you? Ooh. Now, y'all, my voice is a little hoarse because I lost it, okay? I lost it over the weekend, so we're trying to push through. Matter of fact, let me get a sip of water so I don't sound so harsh. I feel like I look good, but then when I start talking, I sound real harsh, okay? So I had to get a little sip of water so I don't sound so harsh. But as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, today's video is very different for your girl. It's very different. And I'm low-key excited because I'm more than just wigs, y'all. I want to do more. I'm just going to do it. I'm not going to be like, oh, I'm going to do this, try this, try this. I'm going to just put it out. And if people love it, great. And if they don't love it, that's great too. Let's jump right into today's video. I am very nervous about this video because I've never done nothing like this ever before. But hey, we're trying new things. We're doing different things on this channel. So this bag was gifted to me by my baby, my husband. Thank you, Mr. Robinson. I know you're watching. He gifted me this bag for our 9th year wedding anniversary. And y'all, when it comes to bags, I feel like my husband knows me. I don't like my husband to pick out my clothes, okay? I don't like him to do that. But I feel like when it comes to my bags, he knows me. Like, I used to be a big tote lady. Like, I love me a good MK tote. I used to go hard for MK all day, every day, and I just loved a big MK tote. But your girl has, you know, elevated a little bit. So now I love crossbodies and I love shoulder bags, and I don't like them to be too big. For today's bag, we have the Coach Lane shoulder bag. And y'all, this color is so beautiful. This is the color Marble Blue, and I cannot believe how gorgeous this color is. Blue happens to be my favorite color, so I know that is the #1 reason why my husband picked it. He did get this bag from the Coach outlet, and I'm not sure how much he paid for it at the time. But right now, if you look on the website, they don't have this color in stock anymore. They do have black, and they have, I think, a white or like a cream. But right now, the bags are 50% off. They're currently $189. I'll leave the direct link down below in the description box, so you can go ahead and check them out. But y'all, I am loving this bag, okay? Look at, it's just so gorgeous. It is a beautiful, like, oh my God. Did I cry when I opened this? Because one thing my man's gonna make me do, y'all, is cry. And not in a bad way. Like, he loves making me cry. Like, I'm always crying because he always doing something so sweet. Like I said, this bag is from the Coach outlet. Y'all, stop sleeping on Coach outlet. There's been a lot of debate in like different luxury groups that I'm in if Coach is luxury. Coach is luxury if you want it to be, okay? Whatever you want luxury to be, that's what it's gonna be. I don't care if the bag costs $5, $10, $15, $200. I'm gonna make it look good. We're gonna make it do what it do, baby. So this shoulder bag is it for me. I'm loving the gold hardware on this bag, and I really think it's the handle that like blew me away, because why is it so freaking gorgeous? Like, this bag is everything. It's a pair of sneakers, y'all, that I want to pair with this purse. And honey, if you're watching, I want them like blue up tempos. But let's get into it. Like, you open it and it's just screaming luxury. It is so beautiful on the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the purse. I did a little unboxing. It wasn't that big a deal. I didn't even know how to do it for real. But this is just like a trial video to see what we can do. All right, so I went ahead and I'm gonna show you guys the footage, and then we're gonna talk about the bag. Now, when it comes to my bags, I'm not like, I don't have like Louis and Gucci's and all that stuff. I don't have none of that because yo, I cannot afford that, okay? I'm not about to sit up here and fake it till I make it. I cannot afford that. Now, if somebody can point me in the direction of a good dupe, let your girl know. But as of right now, that is not my top priority to have like a Chanel or a Gucci or a Louis. And I'm not knocking the people that love them because I think they are beautiful. I actually have a wish list. I already have my first Louis Vuitton bag picked out, y'all. So it's not like I'm knocking high-end luxury. It's just like now your girl is at low mid luxury, okay? I'm at the bottom. Started from the bottom, now we're here. It is 2022, y'all, and everybody has a big opinion about everything. A lot of people like to define what luxury means, and if you don't live this type of lifestyle, you're not living in luxury. Baby, luxury is whatever you say it is. You don't have to spend a certain amount of money on your clothes or your sneakers or your bags or your nails. I'm giving luxury right now. And I promise you, I ain't spend a whole lot of money, okay? Luxury is what you make it. To me, luxury means my mindset. I'm living in luxury every day. Every day I wake up feeling blessed. Even though it may be a bad day, I know overall that I am blessed because I'm living in luxury. Don't let nobody make you feel any less because you don't have certain things or you can't afford certain things. I used to be in love with sneakers and bags so much, but I couldn't afford them. I wasn't in a position where I could get shoes and purses like I wanted to, but that doesn't mean I still wasn't luxurious, okay? Me sitting here looking good, smelling good is luxurious, okay? I love to smell good as well. If you guys are interested in my perfume collection, please drop a comment down below because y'all, I love to look good and I love to smell good. I love to smell good. My husband knows my gifts, okay? I love to get a bag, a pair of sneakers, all right? And I love to get some perfume. Like, I love getting perfume. That is like my ultimate favorite. You know what else is luxurious to me? Spending my husband's money, not mine, okay? I love to spoil myself. That is one thing that I've always done. No matter if I'm single, if I'm married, I always treat myself. I remember back when it was just me and Tamaya, and I would still take something out of my paycheck and get myself something, even if it was like from a shirt from Ross or a shirt from Marshall's. We work really hard, and just to pay bills and die, that's not a way to live. Now, my priorities were always straight, but I did take $20, $25, and I made sure I got my nails done, or I would go get a shirt, things like that. Just little minor things, you know, setting money to the side so that you can make those big purchases. I think saving is a luxury because not everyone is in a position to save. A lot of us don't know how to save. The purse that I'm currently carrying is the Michael Kors bag. I have no idea what the name of this is. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. This is like in a nude cream color. And the only thing I don't like about nude bags is that I find that they get dirty so quick. But yo, I'm not gonna show y'all what's in my bag because it's junky. It is junky in here. So I'm just gonna transfer over my stuff and we're gonna make it do what it do. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up because there's not a whole lot for me to say. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of my new bag, my new baby. She is so beautiful. I'm gonna call her Baby Blue. I'm so excited to like try out different things on my channel. You know, this video probably was all over the place. I was excited, I was nervous, but you know, the more you do it, the better you get. But drop a comment down below and let me know how you're feeling, Baby Blue. She is beautiful, she is spacious, and she's affordable. Feeling good about yourself is priceless. I don't care what you have on. I don't care what designer you wear. Feeling good about yourself is priceless, and you can never put a price tag on that. If you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below, because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.